Welcome to Montech. In this video, we will be providing a tutorial on the MonTouch controller. You will learn how to set the PLC positioning mode and thereby parameterize your TB40 conveyor to set it for your application. If you have any questions or require assistance, please contact us. We look forward to helping you. Thanks from your Montech team. When you connect the MonTouch controller to your TB40 conveyor, the initialization screen Drive Parameterization should appear on the display. If it is not displayed, please check the connections of the cables and the power supply unit. To parameterize the PLC positioning mode, select your conveyor type. Currently, the TB40 conveyor is compatible with the MonTouch controller. More conveyor types will be added in the future. Confirm the conveyor type TB40 and then the mode PLC positioning mode. You will find the value for the total gear ratio on your conveyor in the assembly instructions. Depending on the gear reduction ratio, you can change the total ratio here. For detailed information on the total gear ratio, scan the QR code and go directly to the website. Three parameters must be set to parameterize the positioning mode: travel distance, bell speed and positioning window. The positioning window defines the range in which the conveyor reports via a digital output whether the desired position has been reached. The travel distance defines the distance the conveyor travels per impulse. The bell speed limits the maximum speed for the positioning process. The analog value is used as set point for the speed. Here we set the positioning window to 0.03 feet. This activates a digital output with the message "Positioning window reached" from 0.016 feet before and after the target position. We set the travel distance to 0.32 feet and the maximum speed to 32.8 feet per minute. The values are not saved until the parameterization via the MonTouch unit has been completely finished. The speed setting via an analog set point from 0 to 10 volts is possible in both transport directions. To change the direction of rotation, simply change the signal of the DIN A and DIN B digital inputs. For positioning, the conveyor must be stopped and brought into a braked state. Set the digital inputs DIN A and DIN B to high. Use the digital input DIN 1 to set the direction of transport. In this case, the tape rotates to the right, so DIN 1 has the value low. Via the digital input DIN 2, you specify how often the previously set transport distance is to be executed. The distance is executed once via a positive edge. With each subsequent low-high edge, the entire positioning distance is extended by the set distance. In the following, the set transport distance of 0.32 feet is carried out individually. The 0.32 feet transport distance is then specified 6 times. The conveyor therefore transports a distance of 1.96 feet. The acceleration ramp is stored on the conveyor after completion of the parameterization and can be set individually for acceleration and deceleration processes. Each new speed value is approached via the acceleration ramp. You can parameterize the overrun as an additional function. After receiving the stop command, the bell travels a defined distance before it stops. Detailed information on the parameterization of the overrun can be found in the video tutorial TB40 MonTouch PLC Speed Mode. 3 digital outputs are available for the TB40 conveyor. You can choose from 7 different messages that you can parameterize via the MonTouch. Information on the messages can be found in the assembly instructions or by scanning the QR code. The levels of the digital outputs correspond to PLC signal levels and can therefore be read directly on the PLC. For the operating mode PLC positioning mode, we recommend that you parameterize the message "Position window reached." In this way, you can easily check whether the conveyor has reached a position specified by you. Additional functions available for your conveyor can be found in the assembly instructions or by scanning the QR code on the MonTouch. The correction factor is used for fine speed adjustment. If, for example, the set travel distance does not exactly match the effective distance, you can adjust this using the correction factor. Detailed information on how to calculate the correction factor can be found in the assembly instructions or by scanning the QR code on the MonTouch. If the message "parameter successfully saved" appears on the screen, all settings are written and saved to the conveyor. If the star screen then appears, the parameterization is completed and your TB40 conveyor is ready for use.